H&N Craft.
Guys, welcome back to H&N Crafts, and in today's video we made these awesome bows. These bows are in different sizes and styles, and you can even make them in different colors. I only used one A4 size paper to make these three bows. So you can see it's very budget friendly, and these bows are very useful as at the last minute you can decorate gifts. You can while wrapping them, you can stick bows on them. You can use them as a wall hanging. You can stick them on walls, corridors, doors, mirrors, anywhere you want. You can also stick them on cards to make your cards more beautiful. Even if your card is very simple, you will stick any one of them and it will look awesome, guys. So guys, if you want to make them, let's move on to how to make them. craft is ready, and in today's video we made these bows. These three bows are very different in different styles and in different sizes. You can see they all are so elegant and unique. In this one I sticked a pearl, in this one I sticked a lace, and in this one I sticked a bead. These three are very beautiful bows and they look so cool. They are literally last minute saviors. These are very useful as you want to decorate something, you can use them. At the last minute, you want to wrap someone's gift, you can use them to stick on it and to make it more beautiful. You can stick them on cards as well, and you can stick them on walls, doors, corridors and mirrors to make your room more beautiful. Guys, these are so helpful as I am a YouTuber. I make so many crafts, I make so many cards, so I can stick these on them as well. So now go and take a A4 size paper and make these right now. It will help you a lot, guys. So if you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye.